Hello everyone, today we are going to complete chapter number 11 The Happy Prince from workbook. यहाँ पर आपको एक पैराग्राफ दिया है, उसके बेस पर यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन आंसर सॉल्व करने हैं. Comprehension E. Complete the following sentences. First, Tom worked as the chimney sweep in a town. Second, the town had plenty of chimneys to sweep. Third, Tom never had a bath as there was no water where he lived. Fourth, he did not Fourth, he did not pray or had he been taught to say his prayers. Then fifth, he cried half the time and laughed the other half. Then B, answer the questions. First, write any three things that made Tom cry. Tom cried when he had to climb the dark chimneys, when his master beat him, and when he did not have enough to eat. Then second, what activities gave a lot of pleasure to Tom? Tossing half pennies with the other boys, then playing leapfrog over the posts and throwing stones at the horse leg. These activities gave a lot of pleasure to Tom. Then third question, how did Tom take the difficulties he faced? He took difficulties as the way of the world, like the rain, snow and thunder. Then fourth, brave people do not worry much about their circumstances. Tom found ways to be happy even in difficult times. Do you think it was brave of him to dream of happy things? Explain. Yes, he was brave. Even after facing so many difficulties, he stayed positive and thought of good times ahead. Then fifth, find antonyms of the following words in the passage. A, slave, master. Then B, saddest, jolliest. Then vocabulary section, expressions with do and make. Do is used to talk about work, task or activity. Example, I have asked him to do his homework. Let's do the dishes before the guests come. Then make is used to show that something is being created or built. हम लोग do कब यूज़ करते हैं? जब हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हो, किसी काम के बारे में, किसी एक्टिविटी की या फिर किसी टास्क के बारे में. मेक कब यूज़ करेंगे हम? अगर कोई चीज़ क्रिएट की है, कुछ बिल्ड किया है, देन वी विल यूज़ मेक. It also shows an action or reaction is being produced. For example, let's make a house with these blocks. The time always makes me laugh. Then made indicates the material used to make something. अगर हम कोई चीज़ बना रहे हैं, वो किस चीज़ से बनी है? गोल्ड से बनी है, मिट्टी से बनी है. Then we will use made. These bangles are made of gold. The cake is made of wheat flour. Then fill in the blanks with do or make correctly. First, will you please do me a favor and buy some groceries on your way home? Second, will you please make a call to the plumber? Third, when will you do your maths homework? Fourth, when did you last make a pizza? Fifth, I will do the laundry in the evening. Sixth, would you make tea for me, please? Seventh, he still has to make arrangements for the party. Eighth, how do you make a good speech? Then grammar portion, active and passive voice. A sentence is said to be active voice if the subject performs action described by the verb. जैसे example दिया है, the children decorated the room for the party. The postman delivered my letter yesterday. Then passive voice. इसमें देखो कैसे क्या है उसी sentences को. The room was decorated by the children for the house. My letter was delivered by the postman. Exercise A, say whether the following sentences are in active voice or passive voice. The soldiers are marching. कौन सा है ये? Active voice. Are you writing a novel? It is also active voice. Then the house was being cleaned by the owner. ये है passive voice. Then the dog was hit by a train. Passive voice again. Then fifth, the monkey has learned several tricks. Active voice. Then B, change the voice of the sentences. First, the fire was put out by 3 firefighters. ये क्या है? पैसिव वॉइस है. अभी हमें क्या करना है? इसे एक्टिव वॉइस में कन्वर्ट करना है. The 3 firefighters put out the fire. Second, plant samples were collected by the botanist. It is again passive voice. The botanist collected the plant samples. Then third, he grows vegetables in his kitchen garden. यहाँ पर एक्टिव वॉइस यूज़ किया है. अब हम इसे पैसिव कैसे करेंगे? Vegetables are grown by him in his kitchen garden. Fourth, the car was purchased by a businessman. Again passive voice. A businessman purchased the car. Fifth, farmers sow paddy in the rainy season. It is active voice. In the rainy season, paddy is sowed by farmers. The next, had, for possession and relationships. The verb had shows possession. Example है, Rapunzel had long hair. My father had a bicycle in childhood. Had is also shows a relationship. My grandfather had 7 sisters. यहाँ पर क्या शो किया है? Relationship. Then C, write whether the verb had in the following sentences shows possession or a relationship. C, write whether the verb had in the following sentences shows possession or relationship. First, my grandfather had a gold watch. ये है possession क्योंकि उनके पास वो घड़ी है. Second, she had 3 sons were all in the army. Relationship. She had 3 sons मतलब उसे 3 बच्चे थे. Relationship mention किया है यहाँ पर. Then third, they had no books to read. It's possession. Then fourth, she was not rich but she had her own house. It is again possession. Fifth, he had enough money to buy a new car. Possession. Sixth, my mother had a sister who became a doctor. It is again relationship. Then next page, whose and which. Whose and which can be used to ask questions. अभी तुम लोगों को ये पता है सारी चीज़ें whose which के क्यों यूज़ करते हैं हम लोग. Whose asks about a person or think something belong. जैसे एग्जाम्पल है whose pen is this? Whose poems were you reading? Then which is used in question when there are options to choose from. Which car will you buy? Which season is your favorite? Then exercise D, fill in the blanks with whose or which. First, which state are you from? Second, whose house is this? Third, you borrowed 3 books from the library. Which book are you reading currently? Fourth, whose birthday falls in November? Fifth, there are 2 routes to reach the village. Which route will you take? Sixth, I am taking the evening flight. Which one are you taking? I am taking the evening flight. Which one are you taking?